Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about cool bunk bed ideas for your room. If you are looking for a safe place or add some fun to your bedroom, you are in the right place. We have got some awesome bunk bed ideas for you. Before we get into the ideas, let's talk about why bunk beds are so awesome. They are like beds stacks on top of each other's, which is great for sharing a room or having friends over. Let's start with the classic bed. It's two bed, one on top or other, and it's great for siblings or sleepovers. If you have got more room, you can go for L-shaped bunk beds. These beds make an L shape and give you extra space. Loft style bunk beds are like magic. You can have bed up high and use the space below for anything you want like study or playing. Triple bunk beds are a triple treat. They are perfect for three kids in one room and everyone gets their own cozy spot. Bunk beds with storage are like a secret hideout. You can have drawers, shelves, or even a desk under the bed. Bunk beds with slides are a super fun way to start your day. You can side out of bed in the morning. It's like having a bullet in playground. If your room is small, don't worry. Bunk bed are space savers. They are bunk beds made just for small space. Custom made bunk beds are like a glove that fit perfectly. They are bullet to match our room's size, making the most of your space. If you like making things yourself, you can try a do it yourself bunk bed project. Customize it to your room and make it unique. So these are cool bunk bed ideas for your room. Bunk beds are not just for sleeping, they can be a cool addition to your room style. If you enjoy this idea, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration.